Adding a Zebra Link OS printer as an IPP, IPPS printer in Linux. This video will guide you through the steps to add a Link OS printer as an IPP, IPPS printer on a Linux system. This demonstration uses the ZD611R printer with Ubuntu Linux. However, the process is the same whether you're using a different Zebra Link OS printer or a different Linux distribution. The printer must be running Link OS version 7.4 or later and be configured for the local network. By default, IPPS is enabled on printers with Link OS 7.4 or later. Your network administrator should provide you with the IP address of the printer. You can print a configuration label to confirm the printer's IP address. To print a configuration label, press and hold Feed and cancel on the printer until the lights flash, then release the buttons. To set up IPPS, you'll be using the command line. Must be logged in as the root user or use the sudo command to access it. In a Linux environment, you may need to install and enable cups before setting up the printer. Open a terminal window. The format of the command line to install the printer is sudo lpadmin -pq name -e -v IPP optional s / DNS name or IP address /IPP/print -m raw. If you plan to use IPPS, change IPP to IPPS Refer to the Link OS IPPS configuration guide for more details. The guide is available on your printer's support page on zebra.com. I'm using a printer with a fixed IP address of 192.168.0.3, and I've decided to name the print queue ZD611R. Here's what I'm entering. Sudo lpadmin ZD611R-E-V IPP /192.168.000.003 /IPP/print -m raw. Press Enter to submit the command and enter the admin password for sudo. The new printer appears in the printers list. To perform a print test, use the following command. LP -D qname test label file name. I will enter the print test command as LP -D ZD611R test -label.zpl. Press Enter, and the printer prints the label. The printer is now installed and is ready to print. If you encounter any issues with the setup or the printer, please contact Zebra Technical Support by visiting zebra.com/support.